大家好，我叫 James，我是一个汉语学生，我非常喜欢学习普通话。
我自我介绍一下，我叫法里斯，我在这学校学了2个月，我很喜欢在这里学中文。
我叫 Mandarin，我是法国人。
你好，我叫 Maggie。
大家好，我叫美丽。现在我喜欢学中文，因为中文让我更了解中国的文化。
Hello everyone, I'm Daisy. I'm here to help you learn Mandarin. You may think learning Mandarin is really difficult. Yes, that's true. Our language is totally different with your language, but different doesn't mean difficult. For Mandarin actually is easy. It can be divided in two parts, pronunciation and characters. For the pronunciation, it's all about pinyin. As an English native speaker, that cannot be a challenge for you. You will learn the pronunciation pinyin part into 2 hours. And for the character part, we will learn by radical and we will give you lots of interesting stories behind each characters. So just join us. You can see how fun and how easy to learn Mandarin. We are always here to help you.